First thing you do is you need to sign into your wallet, top right corner. Metamask pops up, and that's the name of the crypto wallet. Then you go click there you go. Sign in, and then your wallet appears on the right-hand side. You hit sign, yep, and then you put your username.
There we go. I can type.
He's better at reefing. And then I agree, sign in. Now every transaction you do have to sign for it. This, I guess, encrypts it in the blockchain. And now open a new tab, search Reef Nerd, search images, and grab your banners, grab whatever you like. Just hit enter and grab another one. That's fine. Or that one. There you go, yep. Save as, that's it. Now go back to the site. Now you can upload your banner, scroll down. This is your banner image. So it may be pixelated for the point of this talk, but it doesn't really matter. Actually, it's gonna look pretty good. If you scroll up now, you can choose the, yep. This is your logo, all right? Scroll down. You don't really need to put any of the other info. You can just put test stuff, hit update profile. You can also link all your other socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of it. You've successfully created an account with Aquaculture. So now at least Marcus can buy and sell and trade NFTs, and people can see him on there. Now let's create an NFT.
Okay.